Okay, everybody, let's handle one other quick one here. We need a definition of what do we mean by the term a zero of a function. How do we find it? A zero of a function. Okay, zero of a function. Well, let me actually write this out. You know, I'm going to tap this into my little screen right here by writing it in. Just a little text box here for myself. Okay, what do we mean by a zero? A zero of a function is a value of x for which y is equal to 0. And how do we find it? Find the 0 by setting the function f of x equals 0 and solving for x. Okay, we will say that that value of x is the 0 of f of x. Well, that seems pretty straightforward here. Let's see if I can get a nice f of x there. Okay, let's try this out. What does that mean for us? Well, let's try a function like this when we've got f of x equals 3x plus 5, and it says find the 0 of f of x. All right, well, like the instructions say, that means we're going to have to, if we want to solve for f of x, set f of x equal to 0 and solve for x. Solve for x. All right. Well, f of x is 3x minus 5, so we're going to set 3x minus 5 equal to 0. If we add 5 to both sides, of course, we get 3x is equal to 5. And if we divide both sides by 3, we get x is equal to 5/3. So 5/3, the number 5/3, is the 0 of the function f of x. Now, what does it really mean if we think about what this situation actually did? We set y equal to 0, and so we could think of this as saying the same thing as when we said the x-intercept of the graph, the linear function f of x, would be the point 5/3, comma 0. And that is an equivalent statement to finding the 0.